When I came to the industry, I was never being cast. I was not even auditioned for urban parts because I didn't look urban enough, and it did have to do with like. So if there's a Kamwali Bai in the urban setup, I would be okay for that. The skin color does keep getting lighter somehow after years. The breasts get bigger, the skin gets lighter, the nose gets straighter, the jaw gets sharper, the lips get bigger. So I find it all quite appalling. Um, and I think we all need to stop that, and women also need to just stop that.
जैसे हम लोगों को कभी कभी अनकन्वेंशनल बोला जाता है ना। बट मुझे मैं भी शायद कलर की वजह से या किस वजह से बोला जाता है अनकन्वेंशनल, बहुत सारी चीज़ों की वजह से बोला जाता है। बट मुझे कभी कभी लगता है यार, मैं हम लोग ही तो कन्वेंशनल है, क्योंकि हमारे जैसे लोग 90% लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में, है ना।
जी।
तो हम कन्वेंशनल है एक्चुअली। और जो बहुत लंबा चौड़ा गोरा खूबसूरत होता है वो अनकन्वेंशनल है। तो
जी।
उसको लेके कभी कभी वो होता है कि जब पेयरिंग होती है तो अरे अनकन्वेंशनल है, तो ये बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है।
What is there not to like about thrillers? Everybody likes a good old classic thriller. And then when you have the fantastic team of Raat Akeli hai with Hani Trihan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte and a lot many more actors who are extremely talented, you know you have a good one in hand. But tell me, Hani, why did you choose a thriller here then? Why was this a no-brainer?
Because, say, as I have said in other interviews also, like I'm a huge fan of Hitchcock and I love thrillers, I love suspense thrillers and crime drama. And but that's not only the case. When this script came to me, I could relate to these characters more than anything, because I think the murder mystery and a crime drama, this is just a one side of the film, that is just surface level pay. If you'll see, then these things works. And majorly what you want to tell about your film, this film is basically more towards patriarchy, and the more about people and the cast discovering about themselves, in the course of the entire film. Like, particularly if you even see Jatil's character, he is also a part of that patriarch we live in. And
Correct.
while solving one case, how he comes out of his own patriarch or stuff like that, that is what makes me more interesting in telling such kind of stories. And thriller is kind of a genre I really love.
अभी बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्वर्सेशन था उसके बारे में, एंड दैट इज अबाउट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर स्किन कलर. Even though it's becoming better, but people still judge you on the basis of your skin color and define beauty like that, जो कि एक प्रॉब्लम है. सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात यहाँ पे ये है कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द फेयरनेस क्रीम ब्रांड, जो कि अभी चर्चे में भी थी, उसको उसके नाम के अकॉर्डिंग कि हम लोग फाइनली वी आर चेंजिंग इट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ कैरेक्टर हियर, लाइक अ स्मॉल कैरेक्टर. उसका भी एक ग्राफ है. नवाज, मुझे ये बताइए, when your ideals match the character that and the trajectory kind of shows, करने में एक अलग मजा होता है ना, because you personally believe that and you get the chance to show it.
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स। कुछ जैसे डायरेक्टर का एक बहुत अच्छा ये होता है कि अगर आप कैरेक्टर कोई भी हो, अगर आपकी रियल लाइफ से कुछ एक नुआंस ले लें तो बहुत अपनापन सा लगने लगता है उस कैरेक्टर के साथ, डेफिनेटली बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जटिल की जो मुझसे मिलती जुलती नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ एक चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो हनी ने उसमें डाला कि ताकि मैं उसको बहुत पर्सनली उससे अटैच हो जाऊं उस कैरेक्टर से, है ना। ये एक आई थिंक ये बहुत ही अच्छा वो होता है किसी कैरेक्टर के साथ जुड़ने का एक अच्छा एक वो टेक्निक्स भी कह सकते हैं, ट्रिक भी कह सकते हैं इसको, विच इज़ वेरी गुड एक्चुअली।
जी.
और उससे बहुत कैरेक्टर में बहुत हेल्प मिलती है, यू नो। वो परसेप्शन होता है कुछ लोगों को किस तरह का, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे हम लोगों को कभी कभी अनकन्वेंशनल बोला जाता है ना। बट मैं भी शायद कलर की वजह से या किस वजह से बोला जाता है अनकन्वेंशनल, बहुत सारी चीज़ों की वजह से बोला जाता है। बट मुझे कभी कभी लगता है यार, मैं हम लोग ही तो कन्वेंशनल है, क्योंकि हमारे जैसे लोग 90% लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में, है ना।
जी.
तो हम कन्वेंशनल है एक्चुअली। और जो बहुत लंबा चौड़ा गोरा खूबसूरत होता है वो अनकन्वेंशनल है यहाँ पे। तो
जी
उसको लेके कभी-कभी वो होता है कि जब पेयरिंग होती है तो अरे अनकन्वेंशनल है, तो ये बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है, यू नो, कि जैसे हॉलीवुड में भी देखो ना, हर तरह का एक्टर है, चाहे वो डेंजल वॉशिंगटन हो, है ना, चाहे बहुत सारे माशर अली हो, तो बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं जो बहुत ही हर तरह के दिखने में मतलब वहाँ पे तो पूरे वर्ल्ड से हैं, तो हर कोई मतलब चाइनीज भी हैं वहाँ पे एक्टर्स, सारे तरह के एक्टर्स हैं, एशियंस हैं,
जी
ये वो सब हैं, हर तरह के एक्टर्स हैं। बट हमारे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो होता है, कभी कभी होता है कि अरे ये यार, ये कौन है। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे बहुत कम एक्ट्रेसेस, स्पेशली फीमेल एक्टर्स को देखा जाए तो बताओ मुझे, बहुत कम, मेरे ख्याल से एक दो एक्ट्रेसेस होंगी जो सांवले रंग की हों या काले काली हों, है ना। तो वो थोड़ा सा एक जो स्टीरियोटाइप बना रखा है ना कि हीरो हीरोइन जो है ऐसी होती हैं, वो बहुत ही अजीब सा
जी
परसेप्शन है एक्चुअली।
जी and I know it's changed and it's changing and I really hope कि सच में हो जाए ये perception change. Radhika, would you like to add to this narrative because you've been a strong person regarding when you have to talk about the discrimination that and the perception that needs to change.
No, I do think that it needs to change, obviously, and it's changing slowly, but not like as much. I mean, there are dusky actresses and actors now, but there's no dark skinned actress. And when I came to the industry, I was never being cast, I was not even auditioned for urban parts because I didn't look urban enough. And it did have to do with, like, so if there's a Kamwali Bai in the urban setup, I would be okay for that because I was dark skinned, I was like, whatever, I looked a certain way. So, of course, now we have other actresses, but I mean, I don't know. The skin color does keep getting lighter somehow after years. You know, the breasts get bigger, the skin gets lighter, the nose gets straighter, the jaw gets sharper, the lips get bigger. So I find it all quite appalling. Um, and I think we all need to stop that, and women also need to just stop that. If we don't do it, it's not going to be asked for as well. And I think they both are equally responsible, the ones who are asking for it and the ones who are doing it, because you have to stop it. It's like the both parties are
Yeah.
uh,
Well,
contributing to it. So yeah.
हमेशा दिखाया जाता है that the female character is being saved by the male character, right? Here, beginning में आपको यही लगेगा कि ये उसका knight in shining armor है, नवाज का कैरेक्टर जो उसे बचा रहा है. इनफैक्ट द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट इज व्हेन नवाज का जो कैरेक्टर है वो आपके कैरेक्टर को बताता है कि मैं आपके करेज और करेज से मैं इंस्पायर्ड हूँ. यू इंस्पायर मी. In fact, she was in a way saving him from the person he was.
Yeah.
तो मुझे ये बहुत, I love that. Which is I think problematic. And Hani, I'd like to really commend that on you. And
I'm
Radhika, I
happy
want you
to
to talk
know
about this.
people are noticing this because that's so underlaid thing.
No, she's just in an exterior circumstance that she needs somebody to help her get her out. But the larger rescue is of Nawaz's character. He's trapped in too many prisons. Of morality and society and rules and norms and all of that rubbish. And she is the one who has courage to stand up for her own thoughts, or what she believes and what she's learned from life. Learned it the hard way, but so she does rescue him
So,
somehow. But the question remains whether she
sure.
is to be trusted or not.
Hani, another question that I want to ask you is that, there have been questions about the depiction of sexual violence in scene, right? However, एक theme है यहाँ पे, which you talk about abuse here as well, which is of course one of the themes that it discusses among many. You chose not to go into a graphic depiction of it. For you, it was very, it's a very well done scene, which is enough. Why did you go that route? A lot of people believe that nahi dikhana chahiye because if it's graphic, then it sort of is makes the other people feel like it's wrong and you should not do it. But you had a very different thinking here. Please explain that to me. Why?
See, my thing is there's no fun in telling everything, There's no fun in showing everything. There's a fun lies in the effect of that particular thing. you know why you want to show it and why you don't want to show it, and that's a very very personal thing. I think there are certain things which are disturbing enough, which are you don't want to take that route because you understand ki what you want to tell is more important when two sensible people will be talking about a particular thing, you know, and what will come out is more important and more fruitful or more healthy than beating around the bush and making it unnecessarily, you know, giving it unnecessary importance. So for me, what I'm trying to say through my story, not my what my story wants to tell, that's a different thing. It's like if I'm the director, there it has to be. It's my prerogative what I want to tell through my story. So I only allow that much my story to progress. You know, where I'm satisfied. Ki, okay, now we can come and shift the gear and we can have people talking about a particular episode and let's see what the fruit comes out of it. That would be more accepted for the audience. So
Sure.
I try to take that route.
Absolutely. Nawaz, I think another very interesting part of this thriller is आपकी और आपके मम्मी की, आपकी माँ के बीच के जो conversations है वो बहुत ही मजेदार है. You know, यहाँ पे हम we keep talking about the Raja Beta complex. A lot of times he's a very confident police person who in fact while he's investigating takes a time to check himself out in the mirror and admire himself also. So you know it's वो confidence में भी बहुत interesting है, which comes from the fact कि उसकी माँ घर में उसको you know in a way you know looks up to him and of course then you give it back trying to say कि मैं क्यों बदलूं and all of that. वो exchange के बारे में मुझे बताइए क्योंकि मुझे वो बड़ा ही interesting लगा.
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही जैसे डे टू डे लाइफ की चीज़ें हैं माँ के साथ. मुझे लगता है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मेरा भी मेरी माँ के साथ भी वही सेम रिलेशनशिप है. कभी मैं गुस्सा भी होता हूँ, फिर वो रोने लगती हैं, फिर मैं मनाता हूँ उनको. बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में उनके ऊपर थोप देता हूँ, खुद की इनसिक्योरिटी उनके ऊपर थोपता हूँ. वो फिर वही बहाना लेती हैं कि तेरा बाप भी ऐसा ही था, ये था वो था, साहब बिल्कुल वैसा ही लग रहा है तू, ये वो सब. तो इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. आई थिंक वो बहुत ही कनेक्टेड है. जो एक लाइफ है वो, जो माँ और बेटे के साथ जब बेटा काम कर रहा होता है, यंग होता है, तो इस तरह के कन्वर्सेशन बाप को लेके होते हैं कि बहुत सारी जेनेटिक चीज़ें होती हैं जो अननोइंगली माँ को पता होता है कि ये इसका जो बिहेवियर है ये सेम इसके बाप की तरह है, यू नो.
जी.
तो डे टू डे लाइफ की
जी,
चीजें हैं,
बिल्कुल.
इसलिए बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक लगता है वो रिलेशनशिप उनके साथ.
When you got the script, how did you sort of decode? You know, when you get a script, you look at your character. How did you decode her for yourself?
It's not about thinking that, oh, I'm a bichari. It's not about self, what is the word? Yeah, self pity.
Pity.
But there's always an element of thinking, having anger, and this thing about being treated badly, and why am I the one who's treated badly, and realizing that I think basically she has nothing to lose, you know. So there was no escape plan. The escape plan sort of fell through. So she's at a place where there's literally nothing to lose. There's not much hope. Otherwise, she has the capacity to leave anyway, I feel.
Yeah.
But her real barrier is not the actual logistics of leaving. I think it's the urge to go, the desire to go and run isn't there at the moment, I think. You know.
Tend to leave out, and you did it in such an entertaining manner. I think that's fascinating. Thank you once again. All the very
Thank
best.
you.
The cast of Raat Akeli hai.
थैंक यू
Thank
रुद्रानी,
you.
थैंक यू,
Bye.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय बाय.
Bye.